What's up, my fellow brickheads, and welcome back to another episode of Nate G's Brick Builds. Today we are taking a look at the Lego Harry Potter set number 76424 Flying Ford Anglia. Now this set is rated for ages 7 plus and comes with 165 pieces. And as we flip it around to the back, you can see there are some play features like the trunk being able to open, doors being able to open, and the roof of the car being able to come off. And before we begin the build, I just want to let you guys know this is the very first Lego Harry Potter set I have ever owned. Out of the entire time I've built Lego throughout my life, I have never had a Harry Potter set until I've bought this one. Anyway, you guys, if you're ready, let's get into the build. And always remember, my friends, enjoy your hobbies. guys, I hope you enjoyed that Lego build as much as I did. I had a lot of fun with it. Again, this was my very first Lego Harry Potter set, and um, it gave me a lot of nostalgia growing up reading the Harry Potter books and watching the movies. As a matter of fact, Chamber of Secrets is one of my favorite all-time movies, and let me know down in the comment section below what you guys thought of the build. If you're new to the channel, please join me as we go forward building a community of people that love Lego and all things plastic brick related. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and let me know what you guys thought down in the comment section below. And also, I want to ask you guys to answer a question down in the comment section below as well. What is your favorite Harry Potter movie or book? Please let me know down in the comment section below. For me, my personal favorite Harry Potter book / movie is Prisoner of Azkaban, just because of the darker tone of the movie. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, my friends, keep building. Bye, guys.